Guys, today we are going to be doing a faction episode on Hydro. And yeah, Jack, say hi.
Hey, what's up guys? This episode we are doing
And his
Hydro Network factions. And me and my brother are making a base. What's up, Max? He's head admin, I'm nothing.
Yeah.
Max,
that's me.
Max, aren't you gonna try to make like a server?
No.
Okay.
Maybe later. Maybe in the summer, but
Maybe in the summer. Max, you want me to help you on the roof?
okay, let's get it taller. This is gonna be a grinder, by the way, just for XP.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Meh. I just told you basically to get on and help me. Jack, don't. Wow.
What?
I did that because I didn't want you to mine the torch.
Oh.
So Max basically stayed off the computer from the time I told you to get off till
Wait,
I
no, Mom,
left.
I'm recording. I'm making a base.
Was he on the whole time? What are you doing?
Wow.
Sitting around and watching TV.
We watched TV. We played NBA 2K15.
Uh-huh.
We did a lot of stuff.
Okay, Jack, come on. Let's get back into the thing. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Oh, 1 second. Move, Jack. Jack, move.
It's okay.
Jack, you moved right in the spot.
Okay, there we go. Now am I in the way?
Wait 1 second. Yes, you are.
Wow. That's bad.
Wait, let's make the roof a little higher.
A little bit higher. 1 block higher.
A little higher than that. Two blocks higher.
2 blocks.
Yeah.
I'm just starting off with making it 1 block higher.
No, do 2 blocks. Trust me, it's faster. I know how to make a specific kind. Jack, by the way. I just wanted to thank you guys for 50 subs, but I'm not going to do a special. So, yeah.
No, you're not.
No, I'm going to do it like on 60 or 70. Because I'm 6 subs away from 60.
Okay. Where you are?
Yep. I'm going to put the Jack's link in the description, so make sure to subscribe to him.
Please, please.
Oh my god, stupid cave.
Wait, Max, you're using a self-touch?
Yeah, that's... Well, what else am I going to mine the spawners with if I mess up?
True.
I'm only going to put 1 spawner, I think. Wait, let me see this real quick.
Max, should we fill this up?
Why am... It's always... When I'm making a base, it's always like under here. Like under... It always has to get in my way, like as soon as I find a perfect place. Move, Jack. Move.
I'm covering. And
Move, just move.
Torch.
We're not that low on torches, Jack.
I am.
Yeah, but Jack, I'm head admin. I can do stuff.
Max,
I'm not gonna-
find that
I'm
coal
not-
And make it stone. Crown tap.
I don't abuse though. That'd be rude. Jack, stop. We don't need
Making
iron.
that stone.
No, it looks cool when it's like iron. Yeah, no, just kidding.
I'm gonna change my texture pack.
Okay.
To Faithful.
I'm using Faithful Low Fire.
Faithful with low fire, nice.
Yeah, I got
I'm
it.
using Faithful 32.
32 by 30. That's the original.
I know.
You can like go on YouTube
I'm
and search
actually
for.
gonna do a mix of Faithful and the one that I usually use.
Let's see here. So then,
I'm gonna use 2 because I really like both. The coal in this texture pack is so weird.
Hmm. Do you see what I'm doing here, Jack?
I can't tell. Oh yeah, because you hit.
Yeah, exactly.
And the spawners are over there, and they float over here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wait 1 second, Jack, move. I'm gonna get on this side.
Max, you want 6 pieces of stone?
No, I'm fine. I got
Stone. Stop.
I got quite a bit, so I think I'm good. I'm gonna get my spawners.
But you could do slash ender chest.
Yeah, I need to. Oh, I need to buy some. So okay, let me TP you.
Wait, why did you just TP in?
Because I need to set home here, and I'm gonna go to warp shop.
Wait, could you do slash eat or slash steak?
I can do slash ice steak, and yeah.
Good enough. Good.
Let's see here. This is the skeleton.
Sorry, bro.
I'm only gonna use 2 just because
I just don't really play on this. Well, I do play on this server.
I'm just not very often.
I haven't been on here in a little bit.
You don't play on here often. Let's just say that.
Yes.
Let's see here. Where should I put it? Put it right here. And one right here.
Oh, dude, we got some extra people joining.
I'm gonna put one right here.
That's
And
good,
I'm actually
yeah.
gonna put one. Ow.
Battle YT.
Fatal. My god. Fatally. You're funny, Jack.
Thank you. Come on, I want the XP. Okay. Yes, I have 3 levels.
Yeah. So yeah, that's.
Dude, if I kill one, it just gave me 3.
It just dropped a bow, and I just used the bow on it. Like I used it against it.
Ooh, I want a bow. I don't have a bow.
Oh, whoops.
Max, I have a bow.
I'll get you an OP one in a minute. Here, I'm gonna build out, and I'm gonna make a little chest room. He just said hi to YouTube. He's a YouTuber. Jack, stop.
Wait.
Okay.
There we go. More loot.
Okay, I'm gonna make a. What? Jack, if you want, you can help me make a little room for
Oh,
chests.
yeah. Wait a second. Let me kill this thing.
Let's see here. Making grinder slash base. Okay, now I'm gonna make a. Oh, here comes the stupid grass again.
Wait, are you making like a little chest room for like the stuff we get?
For the stuff we have.
Or like the stuff we get from
And
like,
the stuff
box?
we have.
Oh my gosh. Did you just see it bow? It shot over here.
Oh my god. Stupid.
stop
Jack, here
shooting.
comes the stupid grass again.
Oh my god.
You guys don't realize how annoying this is to us.
Come on, I want that bow. Okay, gotta get the bow. Yes, I got a bow for the first time.
For the first time in forever.
Yes, and it's almost broken.
Yeah.
Dream come true. Dream come true.
Jack, are you gonna help or just like swat at stuff?
I need more arrows. Okay, gotta go.
Okay, Jack, we gotta make this, bruh.
Wait, gotta catch arrows.
Stop, Jack. Don't be weird.
I gotta at least get, I already have 10, so 15.
Oh, I just got to like, just from killing one, I got to level 6.
I know, I got to level 3 from killing one.
Well, I was already at level 5, but like 5.5. But
I 0.
No,
Yes,
bruh.
It must have been like it wasn't showing up, but it was awesome, man.
Awesome, man.
Bruh, it was.
Bruh.
Come on, spawn.
Why don't you, Jack?
Come on.
Jack, just stop being a weirdo. So I'm gonna.
Errors. We have 13. Gotcha. Vote.
Actually, no. I'm gonna cover this whole thing up.
Ooh, that almost hit me.
Jack, are you gonna help or just like use the grinder that I built? No, seriously. No, seriously.
I'm a porcupine now. From now on, just call me the porcupine.
I'm gonna use the default texture pack. I kind of like it.
No, I can't hit you. Just you.
I have so much texture packs. I have like 30 texture packs.
I'll help you after I kill this dang skeleton.
I think I'm better on my own.
Wait, I just need to kill this one. Fine. What? What? No. No, I need to get out of this place.
There. I think
He's gonna kill me.
maybe. I'm not surprised if it did, because I'm pretty annoyed with you too.
Max, I'm good now.
Why are you acting like weird? Like you're talking so weirdly, like a baby or something.
I'm not talking like a baby.
You're talking like an idiot.
At least I don't talk like Jack W.
That's
Wait,
you.
I am Jack W.
Now you're just talking like a complete moron.
I told you.
Jack, just get out of the way. I like it better.
I
I like it better when it was just me. No offense.
I think it was better.
Just shut up. You can't do anything.
Okay.
No, here comes the grass again. I'm just gonna make it right here. It's just gonna be a little chest room.
There we go.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
enchanted. That thing is enchanted. Come on. Oh my god, mad skills. Wait, did he drop anything? Okay, Max, I'm here to help.
Yeah, I'd rather not. Oh, I need to get chests. Don't I?
Dude, you gotta help me. I'm a freaking porcupine now.
You want me to kill you?
No.
Holy, how did it freaking, what hit me?
Because they shoot out of it. A dog. That's why I look like a freaking porcupine.
I did.
Or I am.
By the way, guys, we have a great community, so you should like come on. It's like really fun.
A porcupine.
Yeah, I need more chests. Do you have any wood?
And what? No can do.
Yeah, you do. I know you do, because it's a kit starter.
Nope, I don't have Kit Starter. You gave me Part 2 stuff. But I could do Kit Starter.
No, Pro 2 is kit starter.
Oh, but I must have put my ender chest. Okay, Kit Starter. Here you go.
Just give me the wood. Only the wood. Jack, why? Give me it. No, that's all I need. That's all. Jack, stop. Take it. Take it. I have a full inventory.
If we have some extra.
Here, let me give you some stuff. Let me give you some stuff.
Upset.
You probably.
Ooh, yes. Why are you giving me this much dirt?
Because I don't need it.
need some. Just set that down for a little bit. Do I have to put something in this? There we go. There we go. Now I have an inventory.
Okay, so we got that. There we go, perfect. That's all we really need. No, we don't need this dirt. I think, since I already set home, I'm gonna go to spawn and drop off all this crap. I'm gonna drop it on this guy, the one who's subbing to me. Actually, no, we need to,
Hey, Max, can I have some regular stone?
oh, whoops, I kind of tossed that out already.
You have
Actually,
some
yeah.
extra?
No, I kind of already tossed it out.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I know it.
Can I set home?
Of course you can. This is gonna be Block's chest.
Dude, you're invisible.
Wait, my /V.
Oh. Dude, where? Oh, there.
Okay. I'm not very rich anymore because I kind of lost my vault because I changed my username, so that's why I'm making this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You lost your vault?
Yeah, kind
That's
of.
sad. Really sad. So now
I'm just gonna have an armor chest just like right here.
Wait, dude,
and a
where's
sword- and
your
a-
ender chest? Wait. Oh, there's your ender chest. There we go. Did they download this map?
I think so.
Yeah, because I was like, how did they make this? I know one's a great builder, but...
He's not on the server anymore.
Wait, seriously?
No. No, seriously, yeah.
Why doesn't he play it?
Because it's none of your business, Jack.
Totally.
No, seriously. It's none of your business.
Wait, you know?
Yeah. Jack, I'm the head admin. I know things.
Like 9+7.
Huh?
Well, maybe not you. Well, you might not know 9+10. That's very complicated.
Yeah, 9+10 is very hard. I know, right?
Took me 8 days. Then I said, done it. Oh, that sucked. Slash. Oh. There we go. I'm just gonna go fight off so I can have 20 arrows.
Oh, I have stacks on stacks.
Well, I'm getting mine legitimately.
Well, I got mine legitimately.
Really? Doing a kit?
No.
How? Killing bot? Wait, how did I just get 64?
I like threw a bunch on you.
Oh, yes, I got 2 stacks, 35. Ha! Wow. I'm gonna have to use cobblestone. Because I don't have any regular stone. Oh, of course. Might as well use no armor.
Jack, just be quiet. I'm trying to do my thing, bruh. Making. I really like this.
I know, it's nice. I wish they had obsidian armor.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool, but
It would be purple. That'd be so awesome.
like purplish, blackish.
I know, I would go straight for obsidian armor.
Whoops, wrong thing.
And like for kits, there's obsidian armor though. There's like a obsidian kit called Kit PvP, I should say.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I don't think I have any. Oh, apparently I do. Okay, I'm gonna use each of my kit overlords and underlords once, or all mine with armor.
Yeah, please. I really need good armor.
Jack, I got like almost a full double chest.
Okay. What's what?
Only take one.
The diamond.
Only take one set, Jack.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, the chest below it is the second chest for it.
Really?
Yeah.
Is there a sword chest? Like a tools? Oh,
Yeah, it's
there is.
below.
Yes, they're like a one shotgun.
No.
I think.
Well, actually, maybe.
Yep. Yes, you can. Well, it depends how you hit them. You get like a critic.
Critical, not critic. Jack, you are really bad at reading. No, just kidding. Jack, really? You had to... I need stone.
I know I didn't have some, so... Ooh, head. Dude, I just found a head.
No.
I just got a skeleton head. Ha! I'm a skeleton. Yeah. Nice, I got a new skin. Skeleton.
Jack, don't go inside there. It really annoys me.
Why? How to get the skeleton head?
I don't even care, Jack. Just move. Jack, get out. I don't want you to replace... Get out right now.
Okay. Jeez.
It's because I don't want to make it cobblestone. It's like this for a reason, Jack. Here, Jack, you want a bow? There. Broken one.
Wait, alright.
Here, have 48 wooden swords.
Well, that was nice. What a great guy.
It came with the kits.
I'm just gonna let him hit me. Just look like a porcupine.
Let's get that.
I'm probably just gonna break all this. Oh, I already have 20 levels, Max.
Okay. Or cool.
Where's the enchantment table?
We don't have one, Jack.
I need to enchant these 48 swords. All at once. Yes!
Oh, I'm gonna make golden apples.
So if one breaks, then I have another enchantment one. These are live hacks, bruh. If you could do this, live hacks.
Not live hacks, that's not a thing.
A life hack.
That's not a thing.
Yeah, there are. There are ones that aren't really hacks, but they could.
I just got a bunch of gaps.
Like there's one on YouTube that a live hack is if you have a spare apple that you just ate, put off the top, put like a little.
Jack, you have no point. Just be quiet.
Dude, I was just gonna say it.
Here, you want apples?
Sure.
And wait a second.
Yes. 14.
Wait, Jack, here. I'll give you. Give me them back. I'm gonna make you regular golden apples.
Okay. I have 8. Oopsie. I accidentally just dropped out one. So now it's not all in one. No.
I made you 4. Come here, Jack.
Wait.
Here, I'll give you some.
Okay.
And here's the.
Thank you.
I think that's it. Is that it? Or is there?
No clue.
Okay. God. Yeah, I'm gonna use Kit God.
Eat golden apple. I just ate golden apple for no clue.
Kit God 2. Here. There. Here, Jack, you want more apples?
Wait.
Here, I'll drop them right now. And here's 64 ender pearls.
Thank you. Now, where's the enchantment table?
We don't have one. Sorry to break it to you.
I swear, that's the first one I asked you. Why did it all grab you? I've asked this like a bajillion times.
Right.
What? Dude, you just got ahead. Go up there.
No, Jack, I don't want to. I already got it.
Oh, you got ahead. Dude, I didn't look like me.
Yeah, I don't want to look like you, Jack.
No. Ha, you're not a copier. Ha, good idea.
Jack, I'm a copier.
Ah, you idiot.
You think I'm an idiot? Look in the mirror.
I'll see. What other idiot?
Yeah, you.
No, wait, no, that's not even what I meant.
Okay,
I'm just gonna ender pearl in.
oh, no, guys, let's end the episode.
I'm just ender pearling in there.
Good
And then I
idea.
can ender pearl out. See? Oh yeah.
Thank for the XP, bruh.
Dude, I got an idea. Let's fight with a bone.
No, I'm good. I'd rather not. You want to end the episode, Jack?
Wait. I had to kill one with a bow. A bone.
I thought you meant with a bow. I was like, bruh, that's too easy. After you kill one with a bone.
A bone.
Let's
We're
spam one.
idiots,
Let's spam.
aren't we?
Yep.
We're idiots.
You just noticed that.
We're not gonna die. These are armor, but.
Do you want to claim
Dude,
this?
you got no shots on you. Look at
Move.
me.
Just move. You gonna claim this? We might as well. Oh my God! What was the armor?
Oh, that gotta be high. Oh, come on, die! Die already! Yes, I killed it.
Shrek'd.
Oh my
Shrek'd.
God.
I got.
You gotta go with chest plate.
Yeah, I noticed.
Wait.
Okay, let's get out.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Okay, I just dropped the.
Yes! Wait, no, I'm dying.
Why?
Because I was. Wait, could you replace that? I was kind of like spamming this. Ooh, armor. Come on, armor.
Okay,
armor.
okay, let's end this, Jack. Let's end this. And we are not placing this head here, okay?
Okay, guys, that's the end of this.
Wait. I need to get that stone. So I kind of need to break a chest to do this. Oh, this one didn't have much stuff in here, so it. Yeah. Okay.
Come on, I'm waiting.
Come on, I'm waiting.
Ooh.
I don't have enough stone.
No.
Jack, trust me, I got this.
I'm ender pearling into a wall.
Wow, that's nice.
I know. See? Such a smart guy, like SpongeBob and Patrick.
Okay, guys, that is the end of this episode, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.